Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of Dyson Airwrap versus Shark Flexstyle. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which multi-styler tool is better. So the main difference between them is their curling barrels. While both feature two curling barrels, Dyson Airwrap curling barrels comes in two different sizes. There's the 1.6-inch long barrel that you can use to form bouncy curls, and the 1.2-inch long barrel that you can help to create tighter waves. With Dyson Airwrap, you can create anti-clockwise or clockwise curls using a single barrel. On the other hand, Shark Flexstyle's barrels are both 1.25 inches long and can help you curl your hair in different directions. The problem with this tool is that you have to switch out the barrel when you wish to curl your right and left side separately. Therefore, Dyson Airwrap curling barrels lead to longer lasting curls, and they're easier to use than Shark Flexstyle's curling barrels. Number of attachments. Though both tools come with two brushes, Shark Flexstyle comes with 4 attachments, though you can get it with 2 extras, like a wide tooth comb and curl defining diffuser. On the other hand, Dyson Airwrap comes with 7 attachments, each giving your hair a unique benefit. You can also get it in 6 additional attachments, like smoothing brush sizes, round brush sizes, and wide tooth comb. The extra attachments in Dyson Airwrap make it a more versatile styling tool than Shark Flexstyle. Storage case. If you like doing your hair on the go, you should choose a tool that enhances portability. Dyson Airwrap has an edge in that it comes with a durable storage case. You could use it to store all of its attachments and pack them easily in your travel bag. Since Shark Flexstyle does not have a storage case, the attachments may take up more space in your travel bag. Therefore, Dyson Airwrap is easier to move with than the Shark Flexstyle. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that Shark Flexstyle can save you more money. However, they both have the same number of speed settings and have almost similar weights. Similarities. They're similar in that they both offer a blowout effect without heat damage, and they're very effective. They both use the same technology to curl hair, and they include a cold shot button that locks in the style after using heat. Verdict. So, which is better? Though I like the adjustable shape of the Shark Flexstyle, which makes it easier to dry hair, I find Dyson Airwrap superior. Dyson Airwrap is easier to use, leads to long-lasting curls, has more attachments, and includes a storage case. While Dyson Airwrap is not cheap, it is worth my money. Therefore, Dyson Airwrap is better. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you would like to see next from us.